What is going on, my fellow shenanigans? Back once again, it is Ajax with more Rattle Can shenanigans, and this video is my entry video into the United Scale Auto Content Creators Group Build. The subject for this year's group build, as you can no doubt see, is the Monogram 55 Ford F100 Street Rod. The beauty of these group builds that we do is that you get to see a ton of different builders all putting their own unique spin on the same subject. It is a whole lot of fun. Last year, we worked on the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner or GTX kit, and the year before that, when it was invite only, these guys built the AMT 40 Ford, and it was awesome seeing all the different iterations of the kit. This year, with this Ford, I'm looking forward to really stretching myself as far as like what I do with the subject, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody else has in mind, because I'm sure there's going to be some wild stuff that shows up. But for the sake of this video, let me dig into the box and I will show you guys some of the bits and pieces that I've accumulated and some of the ideas I have ruminating. I'll be right back. All right, so in digging into the box, we've got, of course, the instructions. Everybody loves instructions. And yeah, I've managed to curate a couple things here. Got some Cobra style halibrands here with the gold. Got some old 6-lug wheels that I got from JPS Customs a while back, and then this truck bed is for a different kit, but I printed it a while ago and found that I can get it to, sit here, not too far off. In fact, like, I look at this, and you'll have to forgive me as I'm trying to put this stuff together and mock it up while I'm on the other side of the camera. But I'm like, yeah, with a little bit of finagling, I can probably make that work. Yeah, so, we've got the tubs, which will accommodate a, as you can see here, a thicker rear wheel, so that when the time comes, we can dump this bad boy in the weeds. As far as all the other bits and pieces in here, there is, of course, the frame that was pulled out, but everything else, as you can see, is still in the plastic. So we haven't actually started doing any of the heavy lifting for this kit. Aside from, like I said, the initial curating of parts and kicking around of ideas. So I am looking forward to jumping in and getting started on this, and probably making a big mess, but that's part of the fun. That is part of the fun, part of the excitement. And like I said, I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody else brings to bear next year when we all have our final reveal. But until then, I'm going to put the nose to the grindstone, get started on this, give you guys a couple of updates, because it just so happens that I've got like a street machine build or two that are, progressing along quite nicely, and a couple other things in the pipe as well. But before I go getting too far ahead of myself, let me go ahead and wrap this up, and I will catch up with you guys soon, right? See ya.